So here we are at the Grand Galvez. We're on the seawall right across from the beach, and just off in the distance there you can see the pleasure pier. It's a really popular amusement area in Galveston. So the hotel and the grounds are all beautiful. They've done a really good job with everything here as they've been remodeling this resort for a couple of years. Now the pool is on just the other side of this courtyard. Ironically, it's currently closed for renovation. It seems like every time we stay at a hotel before a cruise, the pool is closed for renovation. But I imagine it'll be open by the time you stay here. This little courtyard is just below the meeting and event space. This is a very popular hotel for weddings and other events. So the Grand Galvez was originally built in 1910. It was opened in 1911 and is considered by many to be one of the most haunted hotels in Texas if you're into that sort of thing. I didn't have any experiences with spirits unless you count the ones in a bottle. In fact, again, if you're into that sort of thing, Galveston is well known among ghost hunters as a well-haunted place. Here's a plaque. This is on one of the historic places registries, mainly because it was built in 1910. It hosted several presidents. It's had many famous people here. We're stepping into the lobby. Right there is the registration desk. It's a little small, stuck in there, but they took really good care of us. So here's the Founders Bar. It's named after the 5 founders of the Grand Galvez. It's a great place to take in an evening drink and chat with friends. We're making our way to the spa. We won't be able to step inside there. We didn't have a reservation. They were closed when I was videoing, but this hotel is very popular for bachelorette parties, for weddings, so on. Like a lot of ladies obviously love the spa there and men, for preparation before a wedding or event. But these bell chandeliers were very cool. So these little curio cabinets had a lot of history and memorabilia from the glory days of the Grand Galvez. So it's really cool to see the history honored in really the main hallway of the hotel. I really enjoyed checking it out as we stayed there over the night. Now here's the 1911 espresso bar, named in honor of the year the hotel opened. And these are the hotel elevators. They're pretty cool. You've got plenty of time to check yourself out in these mirrors as they move very, very slowly. I don't think they're the original elevators. I'm not sure they had elevators to begin with, but they feel like they're original. So there was a mailbox like this on each floor, and it just really reminded you that you were in an old hotel, which I think is very cool. And now here is Lolo, the gift shop here at the hotel. You can get branded wear to take home if you'd like. and the Monarch restaurant, which was designed with a French theme. You could get breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. I enjoyed breakfast the morning of my cruise. So we're making our way into the other end of the hotel. This end of the hotel features a 1915 Model T Roadster, which is one of the first sports cars ever made. This end of the hotel also provides access to the pool, which again was closed when we were here. So now we'll take a little peek through some of the meeting rooms and event space. This will be a beautiful place to have a wedding, although right now it looks like it was kind of divided up into a bunch of little smaller cubicle spaces. Not really sure what that's for. But you could also have a beautiful wedding reception here looking out at the Gulf of Mexico. So the hotel is still putting the finishing touches on its nearly 2-year renovation. When I was here, I think most of the public rooms have been completed, and they say they're still going through some of the guest rooms one floor at a time. Now the hotel is now managed by Marriott's Autograph Collection, and service during my stay was fantastic. So that's it for our tour of the Grand Galvez. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this helps you make a decision on whether you're going to stay here or not, or use this facility for some sort of event. So, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.